Hello everyone. I hate to be making another one of these videos, but we just got word this morning that the famed drummer of the Rolling Stones, Mr. Charlie Watts, passed away. Um, Charlie was kicking it up until the Stones' last part of their No Filter tour back in 2019. There were big aspirations for them to go back on the tour, but COVID hit and they had to delay things. And we learned earlier this month that Charlie was going to have to sit out their rescheduled dates due to a hip procedure that he had and was recovering from. But he still seemed to be in good spirits. But regardless, Charlie is going to be missed. He is one of the three founding members of the Stones that were still, playing with the Stones. My condolences to Mick and Keith and Ronnie, but also to Mick Taylor and Bill Wyman, a couple of the other surviving members of the Stones, all the Stones touring musicians, of course Charlie's family, and what can you say? Charlie Watts, he was one of the big guys, and they're going, that generation of musicians is going fast. So if you have the opportunity to see them live, to see any of those guys live, none of them are invincible. So we love you, Charlie, and thanks for giving us that backbeat for 60 years.